What's going on, guys? Super Studios T here, and yeah, spawn looking pretty good. It just has to add these two portals, and we gotta add some effects around the little open spaces we got. And the spawn will be complete for you guys to come on and play with us. So this is a quick little update video for you guys, and Ninja wants to add. Okay. Okay. Hey, Ninja.
Hey, you're recording?
Yep.
Hello. Alright, I'm about to start recording. Hey guys, this is Big and Blues MC here, and today I am here with,
Stupid Studios T.
yes, Super Studios J and N are in the server, but they're not in the call. And today we are working on the spawn some more. Yeah, wait, what's my render distance on?
And we got these portals set up. So yeah, it's just a
cool.
quick little update video.
Yeah.
And so, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Yeah, I want to